If you're seeking a school that embraces the outdoors in every season, while prioritizing academics, social-emotional learning, free choice art, and play, our preschool, Pre-K in the Park, is the perfect fit. Our dedicated staff draws inspiration from a variety of modern educational philosophies to provide a well-rounded 21st century education. At Pre-K in the Park, children engage in meaningful play and feel a strong sense of belonging in their classroom. Each day includes singing, nursery rhymes, storytelling, and hands-on learning activities. Our phonics-focused morning lesson introduces numbers and letters in a fun and engaging way. We also embark on regular field trips, exploring our beautiful town, Saratoga Springs, through interactive, experiential learning. Our unique program nurtures healthy brain development, fosters joyful childhood experiences, and supports the growth of happy, confident learners. Discover the magic of childhood at Pre-K in the Park.